the test.
Ready?
How's it look?
Great. That is just great. Ready, Kathy?
Sure.
I'll cue up the orchestra playback, and we'll record the whole number.
That was great. Enough already. We all set in there?
Right.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
All right, Kathy. Go ahead.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
Playback.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
Great. Perfect. Cut till the stars turn cold. I love you, Ethel Barrymore.
Oh, Don,
Kathy, I can't wait until this picture's finished. Then, no more secrecy. I'm going to let Lena know, let everyone know.
Your fans will be bitterly disappointed.
From now on, there's only one fan I'm worried about.
There! What did I tell you, Lena? Oh, God! Zelda, thanks. You're a real pal.
Now, Lena,
I want that girl off the lot at once. She's not going to be my voice. Zelda here told me everything.
thanks, Zelda, you're a real pal.
Anytime, Don. No, listen, Miss Lamont. Don and I happen to... Don, don't you call him Don. I was